Hey everyone, welcome back to Kael Makes Everything But Kael. Today so last week I made some cinnamon rolls. So this week I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to make apple cinnamon rolls. And then next week what I'm going to do is I'm going to make tres leche cinnamon rolls. And so what I'm going to do, so basically it's the same thing for apple cinnamon rolls. You want 1 cup of warm milk. And then here I have dry yeast, a tablespoon of dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and a teaspoon of salt, and you're just going to put it all in here with it. And then over here I have 3 tablespoons of butter. You're going to toss this in here too. And then you're going to add in 1 egg, just like. And then you're going to whisk it. That's what it's going to look like when it's done. It's fine if the butter's clumpy and all that. You won't even realize it whenever you're making it. And then what you want to do after that is you want to put in 3 cups of flour. Then you're going to attach it to your stand mixer. And so then you're going to attach it to your stand mixer and then just mix it up till it's all nice and formed together. So what I do is I just keep it in the stand mixer for a little longer so it kneads it, so I don't have to knead it myself. And that's what it's going to look like when it's done. So then what you want to do after this is you just want to put a wet towel over it and cover it and have it sit for 1 hour. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make the filling, and what you're going to need is you're going to need half a cup of butter. You're going to need, and so what I did is I cut up 5 apples, and you're going to want to skin them. And 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, and 1 cup of brown sugar. And you're just gonna wanna put this in with it. And now it's done, so just gonna turn it off and wait till your stuff is done. Your dough is done rising. So now since it's done rising for an hour, what we're going to do is we're going to lightly flour the surface. And then we're going to take the dough out of the bowl. And then what we're going to do is we're going to roll it out. Just like that. And then you're going to grab your apple cinnamon sugar mixture, and you're just going to put it on. do is you're going to want to cut it up and put it in your pan. And you want to cut off the ends because, again, not the pretty parts. And just going to cut them. They're done, you're going to want to put it in the oven for 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, while the cinnamon rolls are in the oven, we're going to go ahead and make the glaze. And what you want 2 cups of powdered sugar, and then 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and 4 tablespoons of milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You're gonna mix it up now. And now so let's go quick when it's done. And now all we need to do is wait till the cinnamon rolls are done. Now since the cinnamon rolls are done, what we'll go ahead and do, so we'll grab our icing and just pour it all over. And now since you put it all over, I'm going to cut up a really nice piece and a little hot, but otherwise from that, delicious. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.